How to establish a lean asset lifecycle policy for SMB clients. Unpredictable hardware failures and aging tech are draining your budget and creating massive security gaps. Let's look at how to establish a lean asset lifecycle policy to keep your SMB clients secure and efficient. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. The foundations of an asset lifecycle policy. Effective asset lifecycle management isn't just about hardware. It's about a policy-based approach that governs devices, software, cloud assets, and licenses from acquisition through disposal. For SMBs, this foundation fosters long-term sustainability, lowers overhead costs, and significantly strengthens your security posture. Shifting from reactive repairs to proactive planning ensures that IT tools remain assets rather than expensive liabilities. Mapping the 5 essential lifecycle stages. A lean policy follows 5 stages. First is planning, where you inventory assets and set refresh points. Next is acquisition, focusing on reputable vendors and extended warranties. During operation and maintenance, you monitor asset health, automate patch schedules, track compliance, and set proactive alerts to prevent performance degradation and security gaps. Finally, disposal ensures secure data sanitization, following recognized standards such as NIS-TSP 800-88 and applicable regulations like GDPR or HIPAA, protecting sensitive company information before decommissioning. Automating visibility with PowerShell and RMM. Don't rely solely on manual spreadsheets that can lead to human error and missed refresh dates. Identify aging tech. Use PowerShell to filter CSV asset registries for devices approaching or exceeding your organization's refresh threshold, typically 3 to 4 years for desktops and laptops. Real-time alerts. Integrate scripts into your RMM to flag warranty expirations and performance lags. Eliminate manual tracking. Export aging asset lists automatically to stay ahead of hardware failures. Proactive maintenance. Use automated alerts to detect security gaps before they become critical liabilities. Scaling strategy with the NinjaOne Quick Start Guide. Scaling requires a centralized platform that can handle more than just standard workstations. Unified ITAM. Track hardware, software, cloud assets, mobile devices, printers, and other IT resources in one place. Custom device roles. Create specific frameworks for different asset types to simplify policy application. Standardized provisioning. Use automated provisioning and policy-driven configurations to ensure consistent setups across your entire fleet. Actionable analytics. Generate QBR-ready metrics to prove the value of your management strategy to clients. Establishing a lean asset lifecycle policy transforms the way you support SMBs by moving the conversation from emergency repairs to long-term strategy. This proactive framework ensures that hardware becomes a reliable driver of growth rather than sources of constant friction, helping SMBs reduce costs, improve security, and maximize the value of their IT investments. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to establish a lean asset lifecycle policy for SMB clients, linked in the description below.